The secret Jamaican jerk sauce most people have never made at home. Authentic island recipe from scratch.
Most people buy bottled jerk seasoning or sauce and miss the explosive fresh flavor of homemade. The secret lies in using fresh Scotch bonnet peppers, whole pimento, allspice, berries, and the perfect balance of aromatics that creates that signature smoky sweet heat with herbal notes. It's bold, versatile, marinade, dipping sauce, or glaze, and screams authenticity.
This is the real Jamaican jerk sauce tourists pay for. Now you can make it better at home.
Ingredients: makes about 2½ cups, enough for 4 to 6 pounds of meat or to bottle a sauce. 4 to 6 Scotch bonnet peppers, adjust for heat, start with 3 to 4 if milder, wear gloves. This is non-negotiable for authentic flavor. 5 to 6 stalk scallions, green onions, roughly chopped. 1 medium onion, red or yellow, chopped. 6 to 8 garlic cloves. 1-inch knob fresh ginger, peeled and chopped. 7 to 10 sprigs fresh thyme, or 1 to 2 tablespoons dried if fresh unavailable. 2 to 3 tablespoons pimento berries, grind them fresh for maximum aroma, the real secret most skip. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 1/4 cup soy sauce, dark soy for richer color. 1/4 cup white vinegar or apple cider vinegar. 2 to 3 tablespoons neutral oil, like vegetable or olive. 1 teaspoon ground nutmeg, freshly grated is best. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Juice of 1 lime, or 1/2 orange for subtle sweetness. 1 to 2 teaspoons salt, to taste. 1 teaspoon black pepper.
Optional secret twist. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons pineapple juice or a splash of red stripe beer for fruity depth. Many Jamaican cooks add this for balance. Blend into the magic paste, 3 to 5 minutes. Add everything to a blender or food processor: peppers, scallions, onion, garlic, ginger, thyme, ground pimento, brown sugar, soy sauce, vinegar, oil, nutmeg, cinnamon, lime juice, salt, and pepper. Blend until smooth or slightly chunky. Traditional is a thick paste/marinade. Taste and adjust: more sugar for sweetness, more pepper for fire, or a splash of water if too thick. Scotch bonnets and fresh pimento are the heart, no shortcuts. For a milder version, exclude the pepper seeds or use fewer peppers.
For best flavor, let the sauce sit in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, or overnight. This allows the spices to meld into that complex, addictive profile most store-bought versions lack.
As marinade, coat chicken, pork, fish, shrimp, or veggies. Marinate 4 hours minimum, preferably overnight. Grill, bake, or air fry until charred and juicy. As dipping/glaze sauce, thin with a bit of pineapple juice or water, simmer 5 to 10 minutes, and brush on during cooking or serve on the side. This recipe delivers that mouth-tingling addictive flavor that makes people say, "This tastes like Jamaica." And that's how you make authentic Jamaican jerk sauce completely from scratch. Fresh, fiery, and way better than anything from a bottle. Thanks for watching. If you give it a try, drop a comment and tell me how yours turned out. Hit like, subscribe for more recipes, and I'll see you next time. One love.